Today, I will introduce a household essential tool, a tester pen, and put in 2 AAA batteries to turn it on. This tester pen design is simple, comfortable, equipped with a high-definition display screen. The test results at a glance. 1 key switch function. Next, we use this high-precision desktop multimeter to measure the voltage. Let's see what are the differences between our electric test pens. Don't forget to touch the touch level when measuring. You can see that the values of the two are quite close. This also means that this tester pen is very good. It can also help you identify the zero line, the live line. NCV sensing can identify whether the test object is charged. It can also be used to easily locate invisible breakpoints in the line, where the signal is weak, or no signal is the breakpoint position. You can also turn on the flashlight in low light. Don't worry about making a mistake and getting electrocuted. There is also a one-word screwdriver, which is very convenient for dismantling and installing furniture. Whether at home, in the office, or on a construction site, it can help you quickly detect current.